Hello there. God bless you. I want to share with you the concept of continuous improvement and align that with the word practice. So I know a lot of you know that sometimes practice can make perfect or make something more excellent. So I've been attempting to create ribbon roses. Here's one. In fact, it's my last one, and I'm probably going to pin it on here, so you may see it on here in a future video. But the idea is there's things we can do to zoosh up, Zoosh is one spelling, our attire. And what zoosh up means, basically, when you zoosh something, you add elements to make it more appealing, more stylish, more attractive, more trendy, more eye-catching. You get the idea. And that is actually one of our words for this week, so you will hear me using it quite a bit. But I want to show you some of my earlier attempts to create a rose. This is basically what I've been aiming for. And I probably will add a little more in here so it's fuller. But here's one attempt. And here's another attempt, which looks a little bit more like a rosette, but it still doesn't have the effect that I wanted. This one, I think, is a great fabric to use, but as you can see, you see a lot of the thread because of its fabric type, like an organza, which I want to attempt again with organza, but I don't want you to see all of the stitching. It's supposed to be invisible. And then this is one that I made right before the yellow one, and it was getting closer and closer. So I've been tweaking the process, so I encourage you, if you fail the first time, keep trying. And I also want to make you aware that zooshing up styles is something that the character in my book, Come Through Benita, is very good at. The link to making a rose like this is in my description box, as well as a link to check out the book, Come Through Benita. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you, and God bless ya.